Hello class, so here are the divisions for chapter 10. So we're going to answer for gradient and straight line. Question number 1, find the gradient of the straight line that passed through the following point. Okay, to calculate gradients, please remember this formula: y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, for questions 1, so the gradients will be what? Okay, let's say I assume that this one is 0.2, this one is 0.1. So y2 is 6 minus 4, okay, and then 10 x2 minus x1 minus negative 2. So the answer will be 2 over 12. So if we simplify, we're going to get 1 over 6. Okay, for questions 2, gradients will be negative 3 minus 5 over 4 minus 0. So it's negative 8 over 4. So the final answer for this is negative 2. Okay, next, questions B. Diagram show a straight line PQ. Calculate the gradient of the line PQ if the horizontal distance of M from the y-axis is 4. Okay, that means the distance between M and y-axis is 4. That means here is 4, yeah? So it's 4, 0, 4 point M. Okay, you can name the coordinate. For M is 4, 0, and then for the point, this point, the y-intercept is 0.03. So to calculate gradient, again we apply y2 minus y1, 0 minus 3 over 4 minus 0. So the answer for this question is negative 3 over 4. Okay. Okay, for question C, diagram show a straight line. Point P is a point on the straight line. Okay, this one is on a straight line. Calculate the value of y-intercept. That means question asks you to find what is the coordinate for this point. Okay, because all 3 points, you got 1, 2, 3 points, and all 3 points lies on the same straight line. That means they have the same gradient. So for this point, actually the coordinate will be negative 6, 0. Okay. So first we're going to calculate what is the gradient between point A and the x-intercept. Gradient M is 4 minus 0. And this point and this point, 4 minus 0, then negative 3 minus negative 6. So it's 4 over negative 3 plus 6, which is 4 over 3. Okay. So that means this line, we have a gradient of 4 over 3. Okay, and the way to calculate what is y-intercept here, so let's say I put this point as, okay, we know we can write the coordinate where it's 0 and y-intercept. So I'm using this point and also the x-intercept, which is negative 6, 0. Okay, for m, we already calculated is 4 over 3. Okay, because they are on the same straight line. So that means y minus 0, this point, y minus the x-intercept is 0, and then x2, which is 0, minus negative 6 is equals to 4 over 3. And this concept only applicable when we refer to the same straight line because they're having same gradient. So y over 6 equal to 4 over 3. Y is 4 over 3 times 6. So the answer will be 8. Okay, so that means the y-intercept for this case is 8. Y-intercept is 8. So that's it for questions in this revision. Thank you.